Okay, shit, it's been so long. Gotta go back this hill. I took a week off of exercise and it's starting to hurt. Hey Sam, hey guys, 2 days of thunderstorms. Hello, New Jersey. How you guys do today? Hey everybody, let me make it up this hill again. Woo! Pouring in New York. What's the weather in Las Vegas? Anybody in Las Vegas? Anybody in Las Vegas right now? I think Alex took my fill on ASUR. I was 837. Someone undercut me 836 and got the top tick. You bastard. 1 penny away. Where's everybody at? Everybody type your location. Tell us where you are. I'm curious as to where all the followers are. Whew. Vegas is gonna be nice for you, Alex. Don't get sick before Vegas. Stay indoors, Alex. All right, we got people all over. North Carolina, California, Florida, New York, Minnesota, France. Hey, what's up, Remy? All the way to France. My man, Portland, Oregon. Woo. Mississippi, Texas, San Diego. Awesome, awesome, I love it. Ukraine, okay, you win. Mr. Alex LWP, Ukraine. Finland, wow. We have Trevor, who won our lifetime contest, is in Amsterdam. So that's kind of cool. We got people all over the world. Our moderator, Tom Diesel. Aren't you around Finland somewhere, Tom? If Tom's watching, we got people around the world. I love it. I love it. Everybody's learning, having a good time. All right. We'll start in a couple minutes. Let people come here. Hey, Tom Diesel, you around? Indy Green, Prague. Oh, he's in Prague. This is why I pay such ridiculous taxes in California, man. The weather is awesome. But, yeah, I don't need to stay here year round. If I can move to a state like Texas and live here half a year and just trade in Texas the other half a year, I can save a lot of taxes, man. But you know what, man? I thought about this a long time ago. I told my friends, I was like, dude, if you're in a position where saving 10, 20% in taxes can pay for your entire living expense, which I did, right? You made enough money to enjoy your life. Why the fuck you be even more greedy? I'll give you an example. Like, I contemplate like, shit, dude, I was making $1 million a year. If I was saving 12%, 15% in taxes, because there's no state taxes in, let's say, Florida or over in Texas, I could save what? I could fucking live for free, saving $100,000, $150,000 just on state taxes. But then I thought about it, I was like, fuck, dude, if I'm making that much money, it's like fuck, quality, I mean, like, dude, I make it enough. What the fuck do I need an extra $100,000 for? Do I need another car every year? Or everyday happiness? So I chose everyday happiness. That's why I never moved. A lot of people moved away. Yeah, I mean, fuck, money's great and shit, but so is fucking living your life every fucking day. Instead of being fucking miserable every fucking day. So don't focus on the money, guys. To me, money is a means to provide, to secure your happiness. Everybody's definition of happiness is different, okay? Like, some people think having a fucking Gucci belt, nice car is happiness. Is bullshit. That's gonna be temporary happiness. So as you grow older, as you mature, different things make you happy. So there was a point in my life I was making a shitload of money, and then I'm like, fuck, if I can move away, I can save so much money. But I'm like, dude, I want to be happy every fucking day. I want to be able to walk outside and not go into 5 days a week of thunderstorms or snowstorms or fucking hurricanes or floods or. So I said, fuck this shit, dude. I mean, that's the money I'm paying to be happy. It's like, fuck, I'm pretty sure Alex will give $100,000 so that New Jersey could be fucking sunny every fucking day. You see what I'm saying? So that's what I'm paying for. I'm paying for that. And that's why these areas that have super nice weather are so expensive, man. That's why these states, they're giving people free taxes, no taxes, so that you can move there to support their state, right, guys? So anyways, I don't want to get into that, but that's, before we start, we have a couple things. Las Vegas, man. Who's here is going? We're going to be there this weekend from Friday to Sunday. From Friday to Sunday, we're going to be in Las Vegas. We're throwing a Penthouse Party. You can go on my Twitter, Alex's Twitter, for the link to register. You have to register, guys, so we can get an accurate head count. You have to register. If you do not register, you cannot get through the door. Because space is limited, man. Space is limited because, shit, the hotel room is not that big. So, I mean, we can't fit like hundreds of people, right? So space is limited. Las Vegas this weekend, Friday, 8 p.m. is the party. This Friday, 8 p.m. So if you're around Las Vegas, come and meet us. This is just open to everybody. I'm throwing a hotel party. We're going to have some alcohol there. You guys feel free to bring more. I can't provide all the alcohol for like 50 people. So bring your own alcohol sometimes. You know what I'm saying? So that's Las Vegas this weekend. We're all going to be there just for fun, chill out. And every day, is it every day, Alex? We have a free webinar now on myinvestingclub.co. This is for the guys that are not in MIC. He's going to introduce them to MIC and basically trading, how to get started. That's myinvestingclub.co. Okay, not .com. It's .co, and basically you sign up for the webinar. The space is limited every day, so we come check it out. Okay, so that's a couple of house cleaning items, and also we're raising the price of Lifetime. Lifetime is we did it for a short time. It's very cheap. We're raising it to $5,900 now from $49 something, and it's gonna be raising by next month. So. Hit up Tosh. Tosh is the man if you want to upgrade. Maybe Tosh, you can get Tosh to help you mentor you as well. So, I mean, Tosh is a great guy. He's offering to help mentor people. So, Tosh is our main representative when it comes to people interaction. I'm not very good at interacting with people. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm better off of walking the hill, dude. So those are the events that we're doing. And and Alex, didn't you run a state promotion? So Alex ran this promotion on his own, which is awesome. During the month of October, if you join new, you're going to be in the running to win an opportunity. We're going to come to your town and take you out for dinner. And we're going to hold a meetup at your town, wherever you are in the world, dude. So I'm hoping this is a good reason for me to visit all these strange areas that I've never been to. Different areas I've been to. So sign up, guys. If you sign up for a monthly, you get 1 ticket entry into the contest. If you sign up for an annual, you get 5. At Lifetime, you get 10. Okay? And we'll come down to wherever you are in the world. Okay? And then take you guys out. Have a meetup there as well. So that's pretty cool. We do these things because we like to interact with people. We want to get people excited about trading. We want to let people know that, you know, man, we're doing things differently here. As you know, we do our IG lives every week, me and Alex, because we like to talk to you guys and just, dude, trading's lonely, man. Seriously, trading fucking sucks. If it wasn't for you guys, I'd be walking around, I'd be still in my fucking office clicking fucking buttons, dude. How miserable is that? I made my fucking money in the morning, posted my trades. I'm like the rare guy to post every single trade chart that he trades. Okay? I may not be the best trader, guys, but I do what I need to do to make money every fucking day. Knock on wood, knock on wood. And you see in the charts, the times I lose money is when I break my discipline, break my process, overtrade, trade during zombie hours because they get bored. So we keep ourselves busy by helping members, by doing these IG lives, by making videos, things like that, guys. So what I want to talk about today is this. The market's been really freaking slow, man. Ridiculously slow for small caps. I don't know the answers to why all this stuff, but it's slow all around. So during those times, you have to stay even more disciplined. Because I know you want to trade, guys. I know you want to click a button. I know you want to do all these things. And I wanted too. And so when the stocks barely move, you hit them, you're going to lose. So I told the guys in the room, when there's low volume, what happens is this. Low volume means less liquidity. Less liquidity means you have to size down. If a stock's trading 200,000 shares and you're fucking in 10,000 shares, you're 5% of the fucking float, dude. I mean, of the volume. You know what I'm saying? Some shit like that. You can't fucking do that. You cannot do that. You will be stuck. They would know your position, all that. So you have to size accordingly to the volume. Okay? And when a stock is trading low volume, I use what I call the outside lines, the outer lines. Okay? So we talked about this in the room all the time. So a quick thing would be, there's a balance between an inner line and the outer line. If you don't know what these are, go to our YouTube video, sign up. These are the strategies we teach every day. But I just want to talk about this real quick because this is important, man. And I want you guys to lose. And so people ask me, like, which line to use? There's 1,000 lines. Yeah, of course there's 1,000 lines. So, but over experience, over time, you'll see which lines are more effective. We talk about this in detail in MIC. But I want to let you know that there's a fine line between getting filled and not filling at all. Like OCGN or PFNX, for example. I don't know. You use PFNX today. You know, I used $9 a line for my first entry, my starter position. Someone asked me, well, there's another line at 980. Why didn't you use 880? Well, yeah, those to me is an inner line. I would fill, but I don't want to be early. So for my own personal trading, I'd rather miss the trade and be too early. Okay, the guys are too early, have FOMO. That's why FOMO comes from, guys. Okay, so there's a balance between filling and not filling at all. Some guys put it too high. You'll never fucking fill. So somewhere in the middle is the best way. And I tell people this all the time, man. How you get started trading is this. You watch the videos that we have on YouTube and My Investing Club, the channel on YouTube. And then you start paper trading. You don't need a platform to paper trade. You write down a piece of paper. You watch the markets, you kind of watch it. I paper trade every day, guys. I look at a stock, I pretend I'm trading in my head, even though I'm not trading it, because I'm learning. I'm learning about that stock, the personality of a stock. Each stock has a different kind of personality. And so I'm watching it. I'm not just looking at it, just to look at it. I'm watching it and being interactive in my own head. I am playing trading in my head, working out the lines, figuring out all the nuances. Even if I don't even touch the stock, I'm learning for the next time. The next time a stock like that pops up, I'm prepared because I've seen it before. I've traded it actively in my head. That's paper trading. We have paper trading platforms that Cobra provides. So we got, Alex, you got to remind me. We get the Cobra landing page for the free paper trading account. So we're setting something up, guys, which is kind of cool. We're gonna set up a free paper trading kind of account for you guys. We're gonna go and we're gonna find that out when we give you the URL, okay? But in the meantime, you can hit us up. So basically, I recommend people who never started trading for a long time, or even guys that's traded for a while and they're rusty, to paper trade. But you don't want to paper trade forever. Maybe do it about a month or two, because this is why you do not want to keep paper trading forever. paper trading helps you with the mechanics. To understand what I mean by mechanics is, what is a buy? What is a sell? What's a bid? Just things like that, right? Get acquainted with the trading system. And then you start trading. But it does not mimic real trading, because a lot of times you don't feel. Like I couldn't feel today on the ASUR. You know, sometimes you don't feel. And the reason why paper trading is dangerous is because it does not teach you the mental aspects of trading. You have very bad habits if you paper trade, because you can hold on a stock forever because it's meaningless. You can't keep buying and adding to a loser because it's not real money. So I do not like to enter these paper trading account contests because it doesn't mimic real trading, and it'll affect the way I trade in real life. Because how you trade in real life is very different than how you trade with fake money. So I suggest people paper trade for maybe a month or two and start using a live account. But with live account, I mean real money. But don't use big money. Start off with just tiny 100 shares, for example, of OCGN. Okay? You have 100 shares of OCGN. You're not going to become rich or poor, but you learn how to trade. You'll learn the feels. I guarantee you, even if you're down, let's say $25, $50, $100, you're going to be sweating. You know what I'm saying? Because it's real money versus fake money. So that's going to help you with the mental aspects of trading. Because trading is, I keep telling people, trading is very simple, but it's not easy. There's a huge difference between simplicity and easy, right? So we teach you the we teach you the simple way, but it's not easy, man. You still have mental aspects. You have FOMO, you have fear, you have greed. And that's how you overcome, thanks Alex on OCGN. That's how you overcome these mental things, man. Because the way people get scared because they're afraid of the unknown. So I tell people all the time to predefine your risk. If you knew, so I talk about this every day like a religion in the room. Plan your trades. Trade your plan. What does a plan include? It's a process. It includes checking out all the stuff that we talk about. It also includes where you're going to enter, where you're going to add, where you're going to sell for profit, where you're going to sell for a loss. I know all that beforehand. Before I get into any stock, I planned it. So what you can do as an exercise, guys, when you're learning, as an exercise, go buy some note cards and write down each trade so that you have a note card book. But I like digital, so I use an Excel spreadsheet. And so document every paper trade you make so that you can review them. Okay? Even your real trades. So write them down. Write them down. Because if you write them down, it goes in your mind. And you execute those. So okay? I'm not the best trader, guys. I leave so much money on the table. But I still make money. I take the meat of the move. I may not make the top and the bottom. These guys are, I held through this shit. I did that. But you know what, man? Good for you. You know, everybody trades differently. No way is the best. You just have to make money consistently. That's I'm not going to bash how people trade. Just trade consistently for gains. Hold on. Whew. I'm out of shape. So, % battery life. What the fuck? So, if I die on my phone, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. I've got 20% left. So, I want to talk about scalping real quick. Because in these low market, guys, holding out for 3 risk reward, 5, 7, it ain't going to fucking happen, dude. There's not enough fucking meat on the bone. So, scalping works in any market. People make fucking fun of scalping. I made 8 fucking figures scalping, okay? They can make fun of me all they fucking want. It's not a fucking dick swinging contest. You're gonna have a 10-inch cock, but that 10-inch cock may work only once. My little 2-inch cock may fuck 10 times. You know, do whatever fucking works, right, guys? I'll give you a simple example. Using just 2,000 shares on OCGN, for example, which is like a dollar stock, right? $2 stock. If you make 10 cents, that's $200 fucking dollars, guys. You're gonna go to fucking work today, probably make $500. You already made $400. Okay? I mean, not everybody can be a big swinging dick with a big account. I'm teaching you guys how to fucking get there. Because if you're going to have $1 million in your account and you know what you're doing, it's like, great, dude, go do it. You don't need to listen to me. But I'm here to help you, the guys who getting started, how to fucking get there. That's the thing I hate about these expert guys. They're telling you how to fucking trade when they're fucking trading a style which they can only do with a big account. 2,000 shares, make 10 cents. That's $200 fucking dollars. Okay? How much did you make? Type in your average. I mean, this is personal, but how much do you guys make a day? I have no idea what you guys are making a day. So just give an example how much you make a day on the average, right? Like at your job, not trading. At your job. You type it into the screen so that it gives a good indication of what people are making around the world. So it puts it into perspective how much $200 is. Okay? Whoa, shit! Oh, fuck, I almost got ran over by a car. I'm okay. No problem. I'm alive. Woo! Fuck, I almost got a big payday. Oh shit, a big old SUV fucking turned, almost hit me. Holy fuck. Woo. I'm okay being hit by these guys. The guys that live here are all rich, they got money. Like, how much do you make a day? Your job. Right there, guys. So $200 a day is life-changing money for supplemental income. So I'll give you an example. Don't quit your job, man. Your job is steady pay. It makes money every day that you go to work. Okay? It's consistent pay. And so with that consistency, it affords you, it finances you to learn to trade. And when you learn to trade, you don't need to be fucking making $1,000 a day. Aim for 100, 200 in the beginning. Build your bankroll. So imagine if you just made $100 extra a day, $200 extra a day, supplemental income on top of your job. It's life-changing, dude. It's fucking life-changing. You don't need $1 million to change your life. You just need $100 extra a day. Pays for your food. And then it pays for your fucking food, pays your going out. And then you have your job to pay for your rent or whatever the hell you want to spend on, right? So my point being is this, dude. It's a misnomer. It's a misleading thing that you have to fucking be $1 million trader for any significance. Nah, dude. $100, $200 extra a day. Do you guys agree? If you just made $100 a day, $200 extra every day, and you know what it takes? It takes 1,000 shares. 10 cents is $100, guys. You think you can do that? Fuck yeah. Wait for their lines. Wait for the opportunity. Fucking do that trade. Make your fucking 10 cents. Make your 20 cents. Get the fuck out. Done. And that's why we do these IG lives. It's like reality, dude. I'm not sitting on my throne telling people you gotta make $1 million. Telling people I made fucking 7 risk reward points today. I'm the best. Like, good for you, motherfucker. I'm happy for you. But don't think that's the best way to trade, because there's no best. Everybody's different. You do not know their situation. The guys with a bigger bankroll can sit and wait and make these 7 Rs. But if you have a small account, what are you going to do? So I'm teaching you the best way to do it, because the best way to me is the way I did it. For me, the best for me, I meant, not the best for the world, right? So I did it, and that's how I did it. I started with fucking making small money every day. $300 a day, guys. $300, $500. I started with $200 a day. Consistency. As long as you're consistent. The key is to be consistent. Okay? That's how I did it, man. I grew my fucking account. I had the job, and I fucking started making $3 a day trading, $500, and I slowly moved it up. The bigger the bankroll I had, the more size I did, but I did it very slowly. I made sure I was consistent, that my system works, I know what I'm doing. Fucking life-changing money, man. If someone just fucking gave you $200 a day, $100 extra a day, you can fucking eat anything you fucking want. It's fucking life-changing. That's the secret, man. The secret is to humble yourself, be realistic with your expectations, and then grow. In the beginning, don't fucking aim for $1,000. $100 a day, consistently. If you can consistently make $100 with the bigger bankroll over time, you go make 200, 300, 500. You see how that works, guys? Fuck, dude, I rode from, so when I started, I was not consistent, because I was like every other trader. I wanted to be the home run guy. I wanted to be the guy that was the hero. I'd make 10,000, lose 5,000 up and down. You know, that's like, fuck this shit, dude. I lost all my fucking money like 2-3 times. You know, I was up like huge. Dude, I remember the last time I lost like all my money when I started trading. I had like a $25,000 account, 25,000. Then that stock doubled. I was up like fucking 50 grand, dude. I was like fucking in 1 hour. I was up like 50,000 almost. My account was like, holy fuck. It doubled in like in less than an hour. So I'm like, fuck, dude, I'm gonna hold this shit. I'm not gonna take any off. I'm the King Kong motherfucker. I'm gonna make $100,000 today. Next thing you know, the stock crashes. I add more because I'm greedy. I'm wishing it. I'm like, fuck. Because when a stock goes up, I'm like, fuck, I wish I had more. I wish I had more. Why was I stupid? Why was I scared? I should have leveraged more margin, all this shit. So when it started coming back down, I was like, oh yeah, motherfucker. And I started adding and adding. Next thing you know, I was up my account was over $50,000. Fucking dropped back to even. Went fucking all in. Used leverage. Went down. It went down. Dude, I ended up selling for almost like the entire account wiped out in basically 4 hours. So I went from 100% up to fucking down like fucking over half of my account, more than half, 70% of my account. And I'm like, what the fuck? I'm curled in the ball, fucking pissed off at myself. I promised myself, because this is like the third time I blew up. I was like, fuck, dude. I promised myself I would never be greedy. And guess what? I was greedy again. I did not learn my lesson. How many times did that happen to you, man? So I was like, fuck, dude. I'm going to get back. I'm going to fucking learn how to do it right and not be fucking greedy. Okay? So chat with traders. I talk about it in that moment. But Trader Book, I talk about it as well, how I fucking did it. And then that's it. I rebuilt myself. I fucking started being consistent, because I'm like, fuck this shit, dude. I'm gonna learn to trade it the right way. So I went quiet, you know, because the problem before was I was very loud, very obnoxious, very arrogant. And that's why I say humble yourself, man. The moment you start bragging about shit, you have to live it with that fake ass persona, fake ass public persona. That's why I'm completely different now. I don't give a fuck. You know, I don't give a fuck. I don't need to dress nice. I don't need to show off. I'm doing this shit for myself and to help others. And so my attitude is very different now than the 20 years ago when I was a young buck trying to make a buck, right? It's like the loud guys are usually guys that have no money. And I had no money back then. But I was like, oh, I was a big swinging dick because I want to make myself feel good. You know, that's what it is. You learn. So I got humbled very, very quickly, which helped me. I'd rather lose all my money in the beginning than later on in life. So that was when I was like 27 years old. I'm not gonna tell you how old I am now, but I'm an old motherfucker now. But you see what I'm saying, man? I got humbled very quick, and that helped myself. That helped my life. It made me take notice of my own fucking personality faults, and fuck, dude. And I learned. I started with $3, doing exactly what I told you, man. 2,500 shares, shorting 10 cents, buying and selling, shorting, buying and selling. I went long, short, whatever the hell I needed to do just to make that 10, 20 cents over and over and over and over again. Okay? And that's how you fucking do it, man. 1,000 shares, 10 cents is $100. 2,000 shares, 10 cents is $200. Think about it, man. You have a fucking job that pays you $200 a day. You have to work 8 hours. You sit there in the computer, wait for one fucking opportunity to get in and get out for 10 cents. Wait for the lines, wait for the parabolic, wait for the outer lines, boom, 10 cents, 20 cents, done for the fucking day. Turn off your computer, go to work, have a good fucking time. That's this fucking secret, guys. Too many of these motherfuckers want to be the King Kong motherfuckers, but they don't understand. To get to King Kong, you have to fucking grow up first and become you have to start with a baby monkey, right? You don't fucking just grow up to be, you don't just fucking give birth, baby King Kong. So it kind of angers me, man. It angers me that, you know, these guys always trying to correct people, and usually the guys that make no fucking money. These guys don't show proof of trading. They don't all they do is just fucking brag, but they don't fucking show shit. It's like, good for you, motherfucker. They don't know what they look like. They don't have posted their faces. It's like, why are you listening to anonymous motherfuckers? Seriously. Usually the guys have fucking absolutely no money. So the first thing you need to do is just eliminate these motherfuckers from your social media. Okay? There's a lot of fake fucks out there trying to be the man. It's like usually they're anonymous. They don't post any evidence they trade. It's gonna hurt you, man. They hate me. They all hate me. They hate me because I'm fucking too real. They don't believe that someone that's scalping can make this much money. And they're just pissed off. And it's like, dude, I don't care. I'm very comfortable with what I do. If you make money your way, you don't see me bashing them. Good for you, motherfucker. But don't bash the way other people make money. I make money today. I don't need fucking money. I fuck it every day. But anyways, I want to get into this rant. But that's the thing that you guys got to understand, man. Fuck everybody else. Don't listen to these motherfuckers. Chances are they're not making any fucking money. You know? If they are, they post some shit. If you're going to brag about all this shit, post some shit to help people. Post some shit. I post my shit every fucking day. People fucking laugh at my charts. They laugh at my thing. They tell me. I'm like, but fuck, I make money, motherfucker. Why don't you post your shit? So that's my rant of the day. Especially when these slow market comes, man. When slow market comes, these guys are dying. They're dying. There's nothing to trade. But I am here squeezing fucking money from a rock. Modern money rock. Right? Fuck. Once again, people are making $200 a day, $400 a day at their job. So you're gonna laugh at a guy fucking making that much money trading first hour of the day. You can't fucking laugh. So that's why I say focus on yourself, guys. Focus on yourself. If you bat for those things, eventually, like the days I had $1 million day, I didn't fucking know I had $1 million day. It was a fucking progression, man. You build up there. Days I have 10,000, I didn't know I was gonna make 10,000. I start by doing my process, the same fucking shit. The more volume comes in, the more liquidity comes in, I can add size. But today, volume sucked. I'm not sizing up. And I still did okay. I made more than most people made going to work in fucking 1 hour. I'm not bragging. I just show people my trades and people learn from it. That's it. It's possible, guys. Trading is tough, but it's definitely possible, man. Every expert was once a fucking beginner. Just remember that. You don't just become a fucking expert right away. One step at a time. This is why I talk about having a tab, training accountability, buddy. I just want you guys to be successful, man. And there's a lot of bullshit that's floating around. I just hate it, man. I just fucking hate it. Because it distracts everybody from the real thing. If you just check out MIC, you'll see, man. You'll see exactly what today. No one's pumping shit in the room. Everyone's helping each other. People calling out the lines. And they're trading. They're really learning to trade. And that's the environment we like. None of these backdoor plays, mods. Fuck that shit. I don't fucking do that shit. All right. It's been a while since I brought someone on. Who do you want to bring on? You want to bring on Alex? Hey, Alex, where are you, man? I think I'm missing some stuff. I want to bring Alex on. Because Alex... Let me see. Where are you, Alex? Raise your hand, please. Because I really don't know what I'm talking about. Alex gave me this big old list of things to talk about. And you know how I do it, man. I just fucking walk and then whatever comes to mind, I talk about. Unless someone wants to come on. Andy. Oh, here's Tom. Let me bring on Tom, man. Tom and then Andy, real quick. My phone is about to die, but guys, I'm sorry. I won't come back. I'm out of batteries. I think people are at work. No problem. I'm going to bring on Andy. Hey, what's OCG in that, guys? What's OCG in that? Anybody else want to come on? Come on, ask me whatever you want, man. OCGN. Thank you. Anybody wants to come on, guys? Raise your hand. Don't be shy. Let's see. I'm gonna bring on a trade like sun. Nope. I don't know how to raise hand. This shit. I'm just gonna randomly bring people on that I can bring on. Like, raise your hand. Weird. I don't know how to bring people on that. Well, if no one's come on, that's fine. Go live with official launching. There you go. Waiting for you. Hey, what's up? What's up?
Hey, how's it going?
Dude, are you in bed?
I am in bed after a great day. I got my baby here, my newborn.
Oh, what's the name?
Her name's Emilia.
Oh, congrats, brother. How old? How old?
Thank you. She's my motivation. She is 7 days old, I believe.
Oh, wow.
It's been a long day, though. It's been a very long day, and I just want to share with you and your audience that today was my first green day. I invested in $4,000, and I bought about 2,300 shares at $149 each, and I took a small profit of 4 cents per share, so I earned $125. So I'm proud.
This is on OCGN?
Yeah, I'm barely starting.
Awesome. Bro, if you did that every day, that's your paycheck, right?
Yeah?
Am I right? I mean, you'd be fucked, dude, from the comforts of home, taking care of your kid. I mean, that's the reality. That's awesome. Hey, what's your name and where you from?
My name's Alonzo Manriquez, and I live in San Antonio, Texas.
All right. Are you in MIC? I don't remember.
No, but you know what? I am gonna join.
How'd you hear about us, man?
I get your notifications every time I'm subscribed. I'm trying to learn, so I learn from as much as I can from you.
Well, that's a great idea. So guys that are not, so that's I didn't know that there's a notification. So in I guess Instagram, you can set that notification up that if we go live, they alert you.
Yeah, make sure everybody that's listening, make sure you click on the you go to where it says following. Once they follow you, it says following. You click again there, and it lets you turn on all the notifications for your posts, your live feeds, your story, everything you post. So that's how I came on as soon as you logged on.
Oh, that's awesome, man. And I'm glad that you're learning, and you know what I'm saying. So
True
keep
fan,
it up,
man.
and I like the fact that you weren't greedy, because if you were greedy, you would have watched it dump to 140 and cried.
Exactly. And I saw I followed yesterday's resistance, peak resistance, which was at this about 2 cents lower than today, which was at 146, 147, and today was at 149. And I saw that first green bar jump, and I just clicked on it, and I just bought my shares. But
Awesome.
yeah, any thoughts? What do you suggest? Any advice?
My advice is this: if you're really just starting out, you may be very careful that you don't want to use too much of your size.
Yeah.
Because I mean, my whole thing is I don't want you to blow up your entire account. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
If you had been slow on that sell, let's say you lost $400, that fucking hurts percentage-wise on your account.
Oh yeah.
So, but until you know what you're doing, maybe use smaller size. That's my advice. That's my advice. It's like people want to do it too quick, but are you ready? So I want you to learn, become consistent, and then slowly move up with the profits. You see what I'm saying?
Yes.
So use smaller size, use proper size, and then build up a bankroll and trade off of those profits until you become consistent. That way you don't touch your.
Thank you. Thank you for your feedback. And my next and probably last question is, my account is at 19,000, and I'm under the pattern day trader, right? I can only trade 3 times out of the week. I have another platform open, which is E-Trade. Should I open up that other one until I? So
that's what you do. I always tell people, if you're under, open up multiple, open up 3. So that you have now 9 trades a week.
Okay.
We recommend Cobra. So talk to Cobra. They have a Venom account as well. So That's our partner, and maybe they'll give you a discount because you mentioned
Okay.
MIC. So
Okay.
Overtrading guys, they have a product for guys under PDT. So
Okay.
just mention my investing club to them, and they'll take care of you.
Okay. All right.
Those are honest, good guys. And yes, put your account up, man. And then when you have enough, you can move into one account. Getting over bad and day traders is important for a couple of reasons. It's important not only because it lists the trading restriction, it makes trading much cheaper. Because when you're over, you can do a lot of stuff that people that's under can't. I get rebated. Like I don't slam the bid, I don't slam the offer. If you just wait for it to come to you, they actually pay me money. It's called adding to liquidity, and the ECS pays me, so I actually make money trading. But it's just, that's the trick, man. The trick is to put your account into maybe a bunch of $5,000 accounts.
Okay.
And then you get more trades.
Okay. Excellent. Yep. Thank you for your feedback and
awesome,
I'll
man.
be right
Alonzo,
here.
right? Alonzo.
Yes, sir. Alonzo,
we're gonna see you at MIC. Hit up Tosh. Maybe he'll help you out. Okay.
Okay.
Tosh.
Thank you so much.
Tosh. Tosh. You have his DM. So thanks, man. Hey, congratulations on your newborn, man.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Keep it up.
All right. Have a great day, guys.
Success. Bye.
That's fucking awesome. All right, Alex, I'm gonna bring you on.
What's up?
Hey, brother.
Hey, it wasn't working before. Do you see me all right?
There we go. Whoa, you are a grizzly bear today.
Yeah, man, it's getting cold, so I got to get the winter beard back on.
Okay, so a couple of things. My phone might die. If it dies, I'm not coming back. So my phone died for some reason. So what's going on, man?
Nothing, man. Just same shit, different day. I was the one that stole your ASUR, Phil. Let me pull it up.
You fucker. You were 836? Oh.
Right here.
You bitch. You bitch.
It's
You're
easy
taking money
money,
from
dude.
my mouth. You're taking money from my kid's mouth, bro. You're taking food from my kids.
I didn't get the OCGN trade, though.
So we even down.
So yeah, you were talking about the things to mention. I mean, you mentioned everything. It's just we have the Las Vegas meetup on Friday. We have the free trading course. Oh, you know what it is? Tosh's free webinar. So every Wednesday, Tosh does a free webinar for members and non-members. So he's going to tweet that out. So at 2 o'clock, look out for his Twitter. We'll retweet him, and then you could go ask him a question.
For everybody. It's for everybody.
Yep. That's it, man.
And, Thursday, for the guys that, Thursday's Austin.
Say again? Sorry, I couldn't hear it.
Thursday is Austin's webinar.
Thursday is Austin's webinar. So yeah, I mean, the way we do the schedule for the content, in case people don't know, is Monday is a YouTube live from me. Tuesday is an Instagram live from Bao. Wednesday is Tosh's free webinar. Thursday is Austin's strategy webinar. Friday is usually a live trading video. Saturday is the Q&A, and Sunday is the fundamental analysis DVD and trading basics DVD, new episodes.
So we have a lot of educational videos each week, new ones coming out for everybody.
Yeah, what we like to do is we like to keep our content up to date rather than having the shit that's outdated. That way that while the market changes, so is our content, so everyone kind of stays up to date with it.
Correct. So that's the thing, man. I hate these videos, DVDs from like 10 years ago. They're talking about A, B, C, D, F, G, fuck you, patterns and shit. And I make these daily. It's called the Trading Fish Daily Recap. These are like full blown DVD type of quality, like you learn from. It's good. Oh, hey, you want to put it on your phone?
Oh.
You gave feedback. All right, better, man. Well, you're getting weird feedback this way. All right, cool. So we're gonna see everybody over in.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey, let me bring on Andy, and then we'll end it with Andy. Andy, you want to come on?
Go for it. I'll see you later.
Right, good seeing you, Alex. Waiting for Andy. Let's see Andy going to go on. The market's low, man. Not much stuff going on, guys. We wanted to help share and bring you guys to reality, man. It's like slow for everybody. Don't. Being a full-time trader does not mean trading all the time. That's the thing that people don't understand. People think that, oh, I'll be a full-time trader. So when I started full-time trading, it actually was harder because I thought I had to trade every single moment of the trading day. And it's called overtrading, and then I ended up losing, getting trapped and all this stuff. So trading when it's most optimal. Fuck, man, trading is supposed to be freedom. But these guys are sitting in their office like I used to be. I used to be one of those guys. It was like a fucking prison. Now I'm working out. You know what I'm saying? I work when it's optimal. I have to cure my own brain of FOMO and fear and greed. Greed is the killer, man. Greed is what causes a lot of the losses. I'm greedy. I always want to be in the action. I always be in the trade, trying to make fucking scalps. And that's the thing. It's like people go, I don't need to be making 2-cent scalps and shit like that with the risk of losing all my money. So people see me scalping, but that's because I take what the market gives me at that time. You see my charts? It's like, dude, and it's enough. It's enough for me to make money. And the end of the year, it adds up. I don't lose big amounts, so I keep my money in check. All right, guys. Well, I think that's it. I wanted to end here. Hey, Stan, what's up, brother? Great, guys. I'm going to end it here, too. I don't want to keep you guys around. It's a great day in California. Look at the sunny side. Sorry, Alex. You have to live vicariously through me. I'll see you guys in Vegas. See you in Vegas, Alex. Love you guys.